Ayan guys, for today's vlog, I'm here at HobbyCon in SM Southmall. So in a while, I'll be giving a talk about cosplay photography. So ikot-ikot muna tayo. Join me.
We are thrilled to announce the first ever cosplay photography workshop that will be happening now. It is our honor to introduce one of the Philippines' most prominent photographers and recognized as a Canon brand ambassador. Ladies and gentlemen, Sir J. Tablante. Good
Ayan.
afternoon, Sir J.
Hi, hello, doctor. Yan. Sabi nga, feedback. Iba dito familiar faces, iba dito familiar faces, Sino po dito first time makakita ng pagbumukha ko dito? Ayan, sige. Hi, I'm Jay. I have been a Canon brand ambassador for about 11 years already, giving talks about cosplay. So I'm one of their specialists, kumbaga. Kasi each ambassador has a specialty. So ako binigay nila sa akin, well, yun ang binigay kasi hiningi ko yun. Cosplay. Diba? I started off photography out of a frustration. Originally, I really wanted to become a comic book artist, pero hindi ako marunong mag-drawing. I got to discover a camera no college and I became an apprentice with another professional photographer. And what I'm going to share to you guys is a system of how I come up with creative concepts. So the first that I would have to share is setting direction. Yeah, it's a collaborative thing. There's most of the time, before I actually reach out to a cosplayer, tinatanong ko na muna ano fandom niya. I have to make sure now we're on the same page. You're not a photographer, but you're a film director. You're telling them how to emote. And you have to tell them who the character is. Kasi you have to share your same kind of fandom out of it. For this session, I'd like to thank JG Superstore in Gold Docks for providing me with the lights for this afternoon's photography workshop.